Hi friends, welcome back. Welcome to a very important PYQ analysis. Today I am going to do PYQ analysis of the topic wetlands. We are going to understand how UPSC has been asking question on wetlands in the last 25 years. So guys, first of all I would like to thank you for a massive response to my last PYQ analysis where I have done PYQ analysis of the topic on mountains. We have covered all the questions have come on the topic of mountain in the last 25 years. If you have not watched the video, please go back and watch that video. The link of that video is given in this description. So guys, my name is Santosh Pandey. I have cracked prelims 6 out of 6 times and I have the unique distinction of scoring one of the highest marks in the UPSC prelims examination. Guys, you can see here I have scored more than 30 marks in the UPSC prelims cutoff. So guys, I am helping you to crack the prelims 2024. So guys, with this I would like to start today's video. So first what I have done is that I have done a PYQ analysis of the topic along with a detailed analysis of the topic. So I'll be telling you on which areas UPSC has already asked questions and which areas UPSC can ask questions. So guys, whenever we do wetland analysis, okay, so first type of question which can come is the what is wetland. Okay, what is wetland? So this can come, okay, definition based question. Next, what is the role of wetlands in the ecosystem? This has been asked in 2022. We are going to see that question today. Next, most of the questions in the last 25 years which have come on the topic of wetland are basically map based questions or location based question. Mainly they are asking, okay, pairing question where they are giving wetlands and the states and they are asking you to match. We are going to see all the questions which have come like this. Next, they are asking questions on match the following. They are giving rivers and wetlands, or they are giving confluence of rivers and wetlands. Next, they are asking you famous wetlands, most famous wetland. They are giving a statement, 2-3 statement, and asking that this is true for which of the wetlands. So these are the 3 map based wetland questions which have come in the UPSC prelims examination in the last 25 years. We are going to see each one of them. Next, they can ask you questions on migratory birds also. They have not yet asked, but they can ask questions on migratory birds. Guys, most of you must be knowing that wetlands are very important for basically a habitat for migratory birds. Very important. Next, international convention regarding wetland, which is the Ramsar Convention. And here you should also prepare the Montreux record. UPSC has already asked question on Montreux record. Next is the wetland rules. Guys, the acts and the environmental rules regarding wetlands. So guys, we have wetland management rules 2017. So this act and this rules they can ask you. So we are going to understand this also, what kind of questions have come and what kind of questions can come in future. Next, schemes based on wetlands. So guys, we have started a new scheme called Amrit Dharovar. So questions can come. This has yet not been asked. This was launched in year 2022. So this can come. Next, they can ask you important bird areas in India. Okay, so these are the type of questions which can come on wetlands. Now we are going to see in detail what kind of questions have already come, so that you will understand, okay, what kind of questions can come in the future. So the very recent one was in the year 2022. You can see here, this is a question on what is the significance of wetland in ecosystem. So guys, you can see here the question was wetlands are called kidneys of ecosystem. Why? So guys, wetlands basically help in what? Cleaning the water. Okay, so the answer is what? Aquatic plants absorb heavy metals and excess nutrients. Okay, so this is very important question. Okay, what is the role of wetlands? So guys, you have to prepare, okay, what kind of ecosystem services are provided by wetland? Ecosystem services which are provided by wetland. Okay, provisioning services, supporting services. I'm going to give you the exact source from where you can prepare this topic, okay, in the end of this video. So please do watch till the end of the video. I'm going to share with you a very authentic source for preparing wetlands. Next, you can see now UPSC has been asking map based questions, a lot of map based questions. This question was asked in prelims 2014, I guess. You can see here they are giving wetlands and they are giving confluence of rivers, which I told you UPSC has a habit of asking a lot of map based questions. So guys, this question was very important. Okay, so here you can see UPSC asked question Harike wetlands, Keoladeo Ghana National Park and Koleru wetland. So guys, you can see this is correct. Harike wetland is at the confluence of Bees and Satluj. This was incorrect because we all know that Keoladiyo Ghana Park, okay, we have Gambhir River, this was wrong, and Koleru Lake also, this Musi River and Krishna River was wrong, okay. So Koleru Lake is very, very important. Lot of questions have come on Koleru, very, very important. You should definitely prepare this lake in depth. Next, you can see again questions have come on wetlands and rivers. You can see wetlands and rivers. You can see here wetlands and river. Because this was a very easy question. Why? You can solve this question using elimination trick. You can see Krishna River directly feeds Koleru Lake. You can see directly is what? Directly is an extreme word. You can eliminate that. So statement 2 was incorrect. So 1 and 3 was the answer. So only 2 was the answer. Only 2 was the answer. Ullar Lake is also very important because it is one of the largest freshwater lakes in India. Freshwater lakes in India. So Ullar Lake is also very, very important. Next, you see questions have come on wetlands and location. As I told you, lot of questions have come on wetlands and location. You see, mostly questions on location based questions have come. Wetlands and states, wetlands and rivers, and famous wetlands. Okay, so I will be giving you the entire list of famous wetlands. You can see here Hokera wetland, then it is in basically in J&K, then Renuka wetland, Himachal, Rudhasagar wetland, Tripura, this is also correct, this is also correct. Sastamkota wetland, Tamil Nadu, this is incorrect, it is Tamil Nadu. It is Kerala, sorry. It is Kerala. So the answer was only 2. So the answer was only 2. So guys, I am going to give you the list of all important wetlands today, and I am going to give you an authentic source also where you can prepare wetlands. So I am just first showing you what kind of questions have come. Now you see here, again you see confluence of two rivers, two important rivers which starts in Jharkhand, okay, and known with different names in Odisha, and another with a source in Odisha, merge at a place, you can see, and it is an important biodiversity place. So the answer is what? Bhitarkanika. So the answer is Bhitarkanika. It is a very, very important, it is very, very important, okay, location. You should definitely prepare Bhitarkanika wetland also. Next, you can see here, which of the following national park is unique in being a swamp with floating vegetation that supports rich biodiversity. Rich biodiversity, floating vegetation. You can see the answer is Kebul Lamjao National Park. Very, very important. Very, very important. Loktak Lake. Very, very important. So this is a very important location. I told you they are asking questions on what? Okay, specific. They are asking question on famous wetlands. You can see here again. Let me go back. You can see famous wetland. They're asking question famous wetland or river based question or state based question, location based question. Now let us see further what kind of questions have come. Okay, so you can see here, now they have question given on overall wetlands. Okay, the country's total area under the category of wetlands is recorded more in Gujarat as compared to other states. In India, the total geographical area of coastal wetlands is larger than inland wetlands. So guys, these kind of questions, okay, data based question, data or factual based question also you can expect in exam. So guys, you can see next question which has come is on what? Ramsar Convention and the wetland rules. Ramsar Convention and wetland rules. So you need to prepare this wetland rules. Wetland rules. Here, let me tell you that these wetland rules are basically, okay, formulated under what? Environment Protection Act, EPA, 1986. This is very important. Okay, so you should prepare Ramsar Convention. Ramsar Convention. Then you should prepare this wetland conservation and management rules 2017. Very, very important. Recent are this 2017 under this National Wetland Committee, State Wetland Authority, they have been created. So you should know exactly, you should prepare the overall institutional architecture of wetland conservation in India, which has been created under what? The wetland rules of 2017. Very, very important, very, very important for the prelims examination, okay, in future. Next, you can see question have come on what? Montreux record, which I have told you, Montreux record. Again, very important. Montreux record, very very important, where some ecological change has happened in the wetland, that is called Montreux record. So the answer is option A. Okay, next you can see, okay, yes, I was telling you wetland conservation rules 2017 is very very important. It's very very important. Definitely you should prepare this. So you can see here, this wetland rules were created under Environment Protection Act 1986. They can simply ask, this wetland conservation management rules have been created under which act? So it is the EPA Act. And then they can ask institutional structure, like for example National Wetland Committee, then State Wetland Authority. So all these kind of questions, what is the role of the National Wetland Committee, what is the role of the State Wetland Authority, etc., etc., they can ask you. Next, okay, so in future what kind of questions you can expect? So you can expect question on what? Largest wetlands or smallest wetlands in India. So you can see largest wetlands Sundarbans, Vembanad Lake, Chilka Lake, Koleru Lake and Bhitarkanika. Okay, so these are the names of the some of the big size wetlands. Okay, they can ask you this. You should definitely prepare these wetlands. Where are they located? West Bengal, then Vembanad is in Kerala, Chilka is in Odisha, Koleru is in Andhra, and Bhitarkanika is in Odisha. Go through the Wikipedia page. Go through the Wikipedia page of each of these wetlands. Next, you can see what I am going to give you is a list of wetlands. Which wetlands you should prepare? Because guys, you know that there are 75 Ramsar sites in India. There are 75 Ramsar sites in India. Obviously, it is not possible for you to prepare all the 75 ones. So what you need to do is that you need to prepare some important wetlands. So what I have done is that I have prepared a list of important wetlands which are very very ecologically very sensitive and important. So guys, the list is in South India. It is the Koleru Lake. You can see it is in Andhra Pradesh. Already UPSC has asked question 2 times. 2 PYQs have come on Koleru Lake. Very important. Then Point Calimere Wildlife Bird Sanctuary, Tamil Nadu, again very important. Then Vembanad Coal Lake in Kerala, very very important. Next time definitely you can expect question on Vembanad Coal Lake. Then Astamudi Wetland, again very important. Astamudi Wetland, again Kerala, and Sastamkota Wetland also in Kerala. So this has already been asked in UPSC, Sastamkota Wetland. Okay, next you can see here in East India we have the East Kolkata Wetlands, Sundarban Wetlands, Chilka Lake and Bhitarkanika Forest. Very very important. Bhitarkanika Forest, very very important. Please do prepare Bhitarkanika Forest. Next you can see Northeast. Northeast you can see Deepor Bill in Assam. Very important, Deepor Bill, because it is undergoing some degradation. Then Loktak Lake, again Manipur, very very important. Loktak Lake, floating lake. And then Rudrasagar in Tripura. Rudrasagar in Tripura. Next you can see in West India we have the Keoladeo National Park, very important, because Keoladeo National Park was the first wetland in India, first wetland under Ramsar Convention in India, very very important. Next Sambar Lake, Rajasthan. Then Nal Sarovar Bird in Gujarat, Bhoj Wetland in Madhya Pradesh, this is very important, please do prepare it. Then Nandur Madhameshwar Bird Sanctuary in Maharashtra, this also is very important because the first wetland in Maharashtra. Next you can see here, okay, in the northern India we have the Vuller Lake, very important, very large, one of the largest wetlands in India. Then Hokesar in Jammu Kashmir. Then Suringar Mansar in Kashmir again. Tasomeri Ladakh, Chandratal Himachal, Pong Dam Himachal, Renuka again Himachal. You can see Renuka was already asked, they can ask you Pong Dam, very very important. Chandratal is also very important. Then Harike in Punjab. Harike, guys, you can see the confluence of river Harike, that was asked in UPSC. In Kanjli Wetland, Roper Wetland, then Nangal Wildlife Sanctuary in Punjab, then Beach Conservation Reserve, and then Kisho Miyami Community Lake Reserve. Next you can see in Nawabganj Bird Sanctuary in Uttar Pradesh, Parvati Agra Bird Sanctuary, Saman Bird Sanctuary, then Samsur Bird Sanctuary. These are some important bird sanctuaries. So guys, you see, okay, these are some of the important ones which you need to prepare. This list please do save. West India, then in the Northeast, then in the East India, then in the South India. So these are very important one. Again, South India, then East India, then Northeast India, and then in the West India, and in the North India also. These are important. Okay, these are important. These are not that important. These are very very important. So guys, as I told you that I am going to share with you a very important source. So guys, that source is this National Wetland Atlas. National Wetland Atlas, very very important. Please go through this report. Lot of information is there in this atlas, very very important. Okay, every year National Wetland Atlas is published by what? Okay, let me ask you a question. Who publishes the National Wetland Atlas? In the comment box, let me see who can answer this. Okay, so this question can come in the UPSC examination. National Wetland Atlas is published by whom? Okay, so with this guys, let me tell you that all these wetlands, okay, we are covering in our environment map sessions. Guys, in Lakshya Prelims mentorship, we are conducting map sessions. You can see we are conducting a lot of map sessions. You can see static and current mapping sessions. Then environment map sessions, you can see 6 map sessions we have already conducted, where we have covered all the protected areas. All the protected areas, you can see there's 6 lessons, 2 hours each. Like that, we will be conducting some sessions where we will be covering all the important wetlands, all the important national park, all the important biosphere reserves. So this will help you to basically answer those map based questions. Guys, map based questions will give you an edge over your competition. So please do subscribe to this lecture series, and please do watch these map sessions. Very very important. Let me tell you, it will save you a lot of time, because if you do yourself a lot of research and all that, it will take a lot of time. So better what you do is that just watch these sessions, make note of the important points, and you are ready for the exam. So guys, with this, let me ask you that if you like this analysis, and if you want me to continue analysis like this, for example, if you want me to come out with an analysis of rivers in geography, or if you want me to come out with an analysis of protected areas next session, so please do write in the comment box, and please do like this video if you like my analysis, and please do share this with your friends. Thank you, bye bye, and God bless you.